Hello everyone, welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Harry. Last time, I cut my hair using a homemade hair cutter. It works fine, but I feel if changed the USB type battery to AA battery type, it will be more convenient to use. I paused the hair cutting and started the mission. First, I developed the complete homemade AA battery case. Now it's time to construct the full AA battery hair cutter. The concept is the same as I explained in the previous video. The motor is fixed firmly using a motor stand. Then connect to a 2 AA battery using the battery case. Since the DC motor can change the different rotation direction under the different polar direction, I use a single pole double-through SPDT switch to control the power supply. The connection circuit is depicted as below. In position 1, the polarization of motor is as normal and will rotate clockwise direction. In position 2, no working circuit is functional, so it is a power-off condition. In position 3, the polarization of motor is counterwise, so the rotation will counterclockwise. It is very easy to connect a wire as well. Now, the complete motor station is ready. Let's check if it will work or not. First, we check the hair cutter. Of course, it works as I described in the last video. Now, I can continue the hair cutting. Half an hour later, I have finished the part of hair cutting. Let's see what happened. It is easier than last time cutting, but still not finished, since I will experiment something later with my hair. The conclusion is, the hair cutter is working perfect and convenient than USB type. Maybe it is unlucky for the AA battery, since the full set of hair cutting may last several times only. Since this is a motor-based working station, most of the water-related work can be done in this small tool. Number 1. Working as a drill. It works as I explained in the former video. Only have an additional option. It can work in a counterclockwise direction. Number 2. Working as a grinding machine. Number 3. Working as a cutting machine. Number 4. Working with other machines such as Number 5. Working as a fan. The channel is waiting for you.